Isn't that amazing? You think white fluffy snow, but also an important reason why you want to clear it off your car. Thinking about how much weight that adds to your car, and then of course the danger of all that flying off to the driver's windshield behind you. So really cool stuff. And more snow to come, more fresh snow, and we have the warnings and advisories up for it. Winter storm warnings in the dark blue here. That includes Erie, but also Muskegon. And we're seeing those snow showers right now, and they'll continue to set up. Getting a nice little reprieve, Erie. I know, I'm feeling for you. We've got maybe another 1.5 feet of snow to go before Sunday rolls around. Just incredible. Snow showers right now are along that I-94, but also as you're heading eastbound out of Grand Rapids, just a heads up, some reduced visibility there. Maybe some slowdowns at the airport, Cleveland, because of some of the snow. Not seeing anything right now, but we'll keep an eye on that for you. Of course, a busy travel day on this Friday before the holiday. We'll have a full travel update for you coming up. Buffalo, too, some snow showers, and eventually we'll see sort of that radar fill in, we think, later today. As you can see with the clock here and what the models are calling for, Erie, there you go. That kicks in by certainly the dinner hour here. Grand Rapids, some of that snow still going. And then you see some of the effect of that system that'll be sweeping on by to enhance some of that snow. And there you go, tomorrow morning, Erie, that snow is still coming down, and some of those bands setting up on the eastern shores of Lake Michigan. So there you go, another 1 to 1.5 feet in Erie, but also into western New York State, south of Buffalo. This takes us through Sunday evening, so we're talking today, tomorrow, and into Sunday. Also 8 to 12 inches up towards Traverse City. Marquette could also be looking at 8 to 12 inches of additional snowfall here by the time Sunday evening rolls around. Timing it out, Erie, I mean, this says it all. Can't rule out the chance for snow showers straight on through Saturday night, and those temperatures remaining frigid into the teens and single digits. Same for Oswego. We've got a couple days ahead of us here, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, with a chance for those snow showers and temps in the single digits. Good to know ahead of all that snow. No snow in Charlotte, though, today for the Belk Bowl with the Demon Deacons taking on the Aggies of Texas A&M. Sunshine, temperatures into the 40s, so bundle up if you're heading to that game and doing some tailgating. We head to Nashville, kickoff today at 3:30 Central Time at Nissan Stadium. It's a battle of the Wildcats. Kentucky and Northwestern on the field. Temperatures outside, we've got highs into the mid and upper 30s, but plenty of sunshine. Of course, it is New Year's Eve. In 1967, there were no heaters on the sidelines, but the game between the Packers and the Cowboys went on. Jim Cantore looks back at the brutal cold, and that's where we find NBC's Ron. It is going to be cold, and this is the kind of cold and the duration of it that we may start to see some of the lake ice really kick in, and that would shut down lake effect machines, but that is not the case today. We still have it going. Those lake effect and those winter storm warnings are up. We are tracking the snow from our winter storm, and it is already into Illinois and eventually Chicago and Indianapolis. So you'll start to see that fill in. The lake effect still very much a part of today's forecast in cities like Grand Rapids and Muskegon, but yes, absolutely also in Erie by the end of the weekend, another 1 to 1.5 feet. All right, there's Winter Storm Frankie from Great Falls and Billings to Missoula, Yellowstone National Park. The winter storm warnings are up. Not only a lot of snow, but a lot of cold with a wind chill likely 40 below zero, even colder. Billings seeing some of that snow right now, totaling up to maybe 2 feet in some of those highest elevations. But yeah, pretty good area of 8 to 12 inches from Montana into northwestern Wyoming. Notice those areas of Spokane into the north seeing the snow. Where you're not seeing the snow, unfortunately, is where we could see a little bit of that mix. So watch that freezing rain potential. It is on the move and will move into the northeast as we get into the rest of the weekend. It will produce snow the entire way, plenty of cold to go around. It quickly moves offshore. This is not going to be the big nor'easter this go around. Nantucket, though, that snow lingering through Saturday night looks to be good, dry by New Year's Eve. This is the next one that everybody's kind of locking into and talking about. The upper disturbance and that jet stream dip working together. Obviously, that cold air diving to the south and that punch of energy from the jet stream could be producing a sizable storm as we start to see more data coming in, a couple scenarios, but looks like this one may be tracking off the coast with little impact to the northeast.